Working with the Swiss AL corpus. In 2015, the ZHAW School of Applied Linguistics developed Swiss AL, the Swiss Web Corpus for Applied Linguistics. This corpus contains primary data in Switzerland's 4 national languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The corpus is linguistically annotated and contains language data from key actors in Swiss public discourse. This makes it well-suited to conduct research into multilingual social and political discourses in Switzerland. The easiest way to access the corpus is by using CQP Web, a web-based user interface. The data themselves are stored in Corpus Workbench, a database specifically designed for linguistic data. Because primary data are tagged in the Swiss AL corpus, it's possible to make individual queries on specific linguistic structures. For example, which words are used significantly more frequently in discourse about a particular issue? In other words, keywords. You can also search for which words are often used in combination with another word, which are known as collocations. You can even search for formulations with n number of characters or words, otherwise known as n-grams, for example, that define the refugee discourse in Europe. Let's consider the following example. How was Brexit portrayed in the Swiss media in 2019? By querying adjective collocations in Swiss AL to find out which adjectives were significantly more often used with the word Brexit, you would discover that the contrast between a hard-soft and orderly-disorderly exit is especially pronounced. If you were to compare the Brexit discourse in the Swiss media with that in a larger general media corpus, you would be able to identify which key words are particular to the Brexit discourse in Switzerland. What stands out is that people were talking, or rather writing and reading, far less about political solutions and far more about the people, such as Theresa May and Boris Johnson, who played more or less important roles. Their functions, that is, prime minister or head of state, the countries and/or places, for example, the United Kingdom, London, or Brussels, and the institutions, like the EU and the House of Commons. The brief summaries of these results would have to be complemented by a qualitative analysis of the texts themselves. However, they show that introspective assessments can be proven or disproven by systematically investigating authentic language use, that is, through empirical data.